Got no time? Got a test? It's
Hello
time to
dear
cram.
students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. We are solving SSLC model question paper 1. In part 1 and part 2 already we had completed first question of MCQ. In this video we are going to cover question number 2, which has 1 mark question each, and in question number 3 each question has 3 marks. So let us start. Question number 9. How many solutions does the pair of linear equations if they are inconsistent? So here inconsistent, we know that if the pair of linear equations are inconsistent, then they have no solution. So answer is no solution. Question number 10. In the figure, DE parallel BC, AD equal to 2 centimeter, DB equal to 6 centimeter, we have to find E is to BC. So we know that here triangle ADE similar triangle ABC by AAA criteria. So therefore AB upon AD upon AB equal to DE upon BC, and also AE upon AC, but that we are not writing here, not necessary, so that is why. So here AD upon DB, AD upon AB2, and AB is AD plus DB. Equal to DE upon BC. So if we keep all the value here, all the value given in the figure, so we will find the value of DE is to BC equal to 1 is to 4. Next question, question number 3. The circumference of the base of a cylinder is 10 centimeter. CSA equal to 2 pi RH. This is the formula. Here we know that 2 pi r is the circumference, it is given here, so 10, and height is 25, so answer is 250 centimeter square. Next question, this is the sum of probability of event and probability of not we have to write the value of probability we have to write the value of probability of event plus probability of event not done with reference to the probability. We know that their sum is always 1. Next, question number 13. So here 7th term is 12 more than its 4th term. So this is 7th term, and 7th term is 12 more than its 4th term. So 7th term formula is a plus 6d, 4th term formula is a plus 3d plus 12. If we solve this equation, then we will get d equal to 4. Next question, in the given figure, a cone with radius r and slant height L is mounted on a hemisphere with a radius r. Write the formula to find the total surface area of the solid. So TSA of solid equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. The formula respective we kept here. This answer is also valid, and if we take out the common pi r, then this answer is also valid. Next question, question number 15. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR is given. So B and C also given. So we use the angle sum formula here, A plus B plus C equal to a plus b plus c equal to 180. So we will find here, keeping this value, angle A equal to 60 degree. But here it is very clear that A and P are equal angle, congruent angle. So angle A equal to angle P equal to 60 degree. Last question of this section, if the zeros of the polynomial px equal to x square plus 3x plus k are reciprocal of each other, then find the value of k. Let us suppose the two zeros are x and 1 upon x. If you multiply them, then you will get their product is x multiplied by 1 upon x is 1. So here also we know that alpha into beta equal to c upon a, and the value of c is from the equation k, and the value of a equal to 1. This is the value of c. If we will keep this value here, then k by 1. Alpha into beta we will keep here 1. The value of alpha into beta, because their product is 1, it is given. So 1 equal to k by 1. So that is why k equal to 1. So next section, question number 3, answer the following questions. We can see that each question contains 2 marks. Here we have to answer here 8 questions. Here we will get some internal option. You can see here in question number C, there is an internal option here. So from these 2 questions we have to attempt any one question. First question, in an arithmetic progression S20 equal to 820 and A20 equal to 79, then find the first term. So we will write all the values here and the value of, because S20 and A20, so here n equal to 20. Now let us write the formula here. Sn equal to n by 2 into bracket a plus n. We will keep all the values one by one, simplify the equation, then we will get the value of a. This is the first term of our question. Now in OR, they have asked that how many numbers between 201 and 401 are divisible by 6. So we have to manually make this arithmetic progression by dividing the number 6. So first number is 204 and the last number is 396. In that way we have to make the AP here. Now in this AP, these are the terminology: a equal to 204, difference equal to 6, last term is 396, n equal to we have to find. We will keep the formula here, we will keep all the values here one by one, and very systematically we will solve the equation, then we will get the value of n equal to 33. Means in this arithmetic progression 33 terms are divisible by 6. Okay. Next question. Question number 18. Solve the given pair of linear equations using suitable method. So here suitable method word is used, so we can use a graphical method as well as a substitution method or elimination method. But here we will use the elimination method, because here elimination method is very easy. You can see that because plus y and minus y is given, so we can easily cut them. So we use the elimination, then we are getting the value of x equal to 3. X equal to 3. We will keep this x equal to 3 in equation number 1, then we will get the value of y. So in this way we can solve the given pair of linear equations. So this is a very easy questions and easy way we have simplified this question. Next, question number 19. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation and determine their nature of the roots. Please get it. Okay, here we have not to find the roots, we have to only decide the nature of the roots. So this is our given equation. We will find the value of a, b and c from the equation. Then we will write the discriminant formula here. This is the discriminant formula. We will keep all the value very appropriately. then we are getting the 65 here, and 65 is greater than 0. If discriminant is greater than 0, then we have roots real and distinct. So in that way we have to write the answer. In these questions we have internal option. Express the quadratic equation given in the standard form. So we have to simplify. So we are writing the equation again. Now here we have to simplify. We have to multiply bracket with x, then we are getting in that way expressions. If we simplify by transpose method, then this is the standard form of the given quadratic equation. Okay students, are you getting all the things? Okay, thank you. Let us go ahead. Question number 20. This is a very important question here. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. So to prove irrational number, we will assume it is a rational number. So this is our assumption. Let root 5 is an rational number. By mistake it is written irrational. So this we will cut here. Let root 5 is an rational number. So if it is a rational number, then root 5 can be written in the form of a upon b, where a and b are co-prime numbers. What is the meaning of co-prime numbers? They do not have any common factors. They are in the simplest form. You know simplest form is what? And b is not equal to 0. Denominator never be 0. Now we will make the square, then we are getting in that way. So after simplification, this step we will get. So as per the given theorem, 5 divides a square, and if 5 divides a square, so 5 definitely divide a. So 5 is a multiple of, sorry, a is a multiple of 5 because 5 can divide a. So this is our new assumption. A is a multiple of 5k. Now let us make the square of a square equal to 5k bracket over square. After that we have to reach on this step. In place of a square we have to keep the value 5b square here, because a square equal to 5b square. This 5b square we are keeping here. Now this is the our next equation. After simplifying we are getting b square equal to 5k square. So now as per this equation, again this 5 divides b square and then b. So now what we found here, 5 divides a square and a, then 5 divides b square and b. But what was our assumption? It is a co-prime number. It does not have any common factors. Here we are getting 5 as a common factor for a and b both. So that is why we have to write the next statement in that way. A and b have at least 5 as a common factor. But this is the contradicts. Contradicts means going opposite to our assumption. That contradicts that the fact a and b are co-prime. So hence our assumption is wrong, incorrect. So that is why given number is already irrational number. So it is automatically proved that it is an irrational number. Next question, question number 21. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points. So now here points are given 1, 6 and 4, 3. And the ratio is given 1:2 internally. So we know that this is the 1 is the value of m1 and 2 is the value of m2. We know this formula of the, means this is the section formula. This we have to write, and after that very appropriately we have to keep all the values here, and after the one by one step if we simplify, then we will reach on our answer 2 and 5. So in that way students, you have to solve the sum in also you have to solve your sum in board examination. Okay, next question, question number 22. Yes, very good question from the trigonometry. Okay, find the figure is given. Figure is a right triangle. It is a right triangle. This is a 90-degree angle. So we have to find the value of tan p and cos r. we had learnt all the ratios, 6 ratios. So that we have to recall here. Tangent is what? Opposite upon adjacent, and cos is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So that only we are writing here. Tangent P equal to opposite upon adjacent. So as per the tangent P, opposite is 5 and adjacent is 12. So this is our first answer. Now cos, as we discussed, adjacent, cos r means we are taking the cos r here, tan p we took here, and cos r is here. So adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent is 5 again and hypotenuse is 13. So this is our answer. Okay, let us go ahead. Question number 23. This is a very important, little difficult questions to solve. So let us read the question first. Okay, what is this? In the given figure is one circle is there, some tangents are there. So we have to identify all the tangents properly from the figure. Okay, in the figure CP and CQ. CP and CQ. Where is CP? Okay, CP means this and CQ means here. These are the two tangents. So immediately we have to recall the theorem CP equal to CQ. So this result will help us very much here. CP equal to CQ. So they are the tangent to the circle with center O. ARB is another tangent. ARB, this ARB is another tangent here at point of contact R. So that means prove that the perimeter of this triangle means which triangle CAB is twice the length of tangent CP, means double of CP. That we have to prove. So first of all we will write the triangle perimeter formula. It is a very simple triangle formula. There is no specific formula. We have to add all the three sides, CA plus AB plus BC. Now for the CA, look, CA means only that part. So CA means what? CP minus AP. CP, from CP if you subtract this AP, then you will get a CA. So in that way for CA we have to write CP minus AP. AB. AB is what? It is a two part, AR plus BR. So for AB we are writing AR plus BR. Now turn off BC. Same way, what we had done for CA, same way we have to do for BC. Okay, BC, this part only. So from CQ, if we subtract BQ, then we will get the BC. So same procedure we are doing here for BC. Now this fact, one CP equal to CQ, and here also you can see that this tangents are equal, means PA equal to AR, AP equal to AR. Same way here BR equal to QB, BR equal to QB or BQ. So in as per requirement we will replace the value from this three equation. Okay. So now that we have written there, it is also written here. So now CP as it is, look, CP as it is here, AP as it is here, we have not to make change, but AR equal to, look, AR equal to AP. So in place of AR we are keeping AP. Why? Look, here you are getting minus AP plus AP, so they may be cut. Now move on BR, BR equal to BQ. So we will replace it by BQ, and CQ we will replace by CP, and BQ we will keep as it is. Why as it is? Because this BQ and this minus BQ will cut. So they may cut here, look, in that way. So CP plus CP means 2CP. So this is the perimeter of triangle CAB is double than tangent of the length. Okay. Next question, last question of this section is the product of HCF and LCM of two numbers is 2016. If one of the numbers is 42, then the find the other number, also find the HCF of those two numbers by prime factorization method. We know this formula, students. This is a very important formula, कि product of two numbers equal to product of their HCF and LCM. So here we are keeping value properly. This B for unknown number that we have to find. If we simplify this equation, then we will get B equal to 48. So this is our second number. Now we have to factorize both number 42 and 48. 42 already given here and 42 we found from the calculation. So these are their prime factorization. So from their prime factorization, 2 into 3 equal to 6 is the SCF. So here students, we had completed main question number 2 and 3 means now in the next video we will continue with question number 4.